大家好，欢迎来到 Mandarin Language. My name is Matt, also known as Martin C. And in today's episode, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite apps for practicing and remembering Chinese characters. So, without talking about the bush, the app is called Skritter. And it specializes in writing Chinese characters with your finger on your phone or tablet. It's basically a digital flashcard system that also teaches you how to write the characters. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn how Skritter helps you to practice and remember Chinese characters easier, a tutorial how the Skritter app works in action, and lastly, for those of you who are interested, a special offer for getting a 50% discount. 好，让我们马上开始吧。How Skritter helps you to practice and remember Chinese characters easier. So Skritter is actually a flashcard system, just like these physical flashcards here. But the advantage is that it is on your phone and it also teaches you how to write the characters. But the biggest advantage in my opinion is that it also helps you to improve your reading speed of Chinese characters. Maybe you know from your own experience that once you practice to write Chinese characters by hand, you will remember them better and also recognize them faster in a text. But instead of using pen and paper, we can simply use our smartphone, which we usually carry with us anyway, to practice writing them wherever we are. For example, while taking the public transport or having to wait somewhere. This way we can use our idle time to review some Chinese vocabulary and practice writing them. Okay, so now that you know how the app can help you with your Chinese learning, let's move to the second part of this video. Let me show you how the app functions. For this, we're going to switch again to my phone screen. So what you can see here is the home screen of the Skritter app. When you tap on Advanced Study, you can see that you have 4 different modes you can use for practicing characters: writing, reading, tone, and definition. After tapping on Study, you can start practicing right away. Simply start writing with your finger on the screen. If you don't know the stroke order or made a mistake, the app will give you a notice how to write the characters correctly. To erase a written character and write it one more time, just swipe with your finger upwards. You can also grade yourself, how well you know the character. The better the grade mark you give yourself, the less often you will see this character appear again. The other practice modes are for training your reading, the tones and definitions. Here you can review the pinyin and the translation of the characters. When asked for the correct tone, just write it with your finger. By tapping on Lists on the home screen, you can see all the lists you're currently studying. Right now, I'm studying an HSK 1 list for the first level of the Chinese language exam. But if you tap on Textbooks on the bottom, you can search for your own textbook. They have hundreds of textbooks and custom-made lists available here. I used to study with a textbook series called Road to Success. Once I select the book, I can then start to practice the words for each chapter in the book. There is a high chance that your current textbook is also included in the app. If not, you can create your own list or simply start studying an HSK list. There are many more features I would like to show you now, but let's stick to one last one. If you go to the settings, you can also choose the dark theme, which I personally find quite cool looking. Okay, let us now move to the third and last part of this video, which is how to get a 50% discount for Skritter. The guys from Skritter were kind enough to provide you as my viewer a 7-day free trial plus a 50% discount for the first 6 months. If you're interested in this rebate, check out the description below this video and click on the discount link, which will take you to the official website. Before downloading the app though, you first need to sign up a free account together with a discount coupon. Here I'm just creating a test account. The coupon code will be pre-filled if you go via the link in the description. If you then go to Account and the subscription settings, you will see that the 50% discount is now activated for your account. Afterwards, you can download the app on your device, select Existing account and log in with the account you have just created on the website using the coupon. This way you get 7 days for free, and if you want to continue using it, a 50% discount for the subscription during the first half year. Just remember that the discounted subscription can only be started from the website version, not from the app itself. Alright, I hope you liked this app tutorial. If you want to learn more about all the different Skritter features, I might do a mini video series where I explain everything in more detail. One final word about Skritter. It's really a great tool for practicing individual vocabulary, but it doesn't focus much on entire sentences or grammar structures. Therefore, it should be regarded as a complementary tool next to a textbook, for example. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for future app reviews of this kind. Until then, 一会儿见。